All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. Don't look now, guys, but we have some company. More and more people are flooding into gold-backed ETFs. It seems that word is out that gold is one of the best performing assets this year, let alone the best performing asset class this century, the 21st century. So let's dive in. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. That helps to get this economic evangelism out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. Okay, so let's get started. Peter Schiff has a new article entitled Gold ETFs Chart Seventh Straight Month of Inflows. Now, one of the key takeaways from this article is that for H1 2020, gold ETF inflows added a record $40 billion. Check this extra data out right here. And I quote, in just 6 months, ETFs have already eclipsed the previous yearly inflow records of 646 tons in 2009 and $23 billion in 2016. North American funds added 83 tons of gold last month, dominating activity in June. North American funds accounted for 80% of global net inflows. SPDR gold shares led global inflows, gobbling up 56 tons of metal. European listed funds added a healthy 18 tons of gold. Swiss and German based funds saw the highest increases, offsetting declines in UK based funds. Asian listed fund holdings rose fractionally by zero point 0.4 tons. Indian ETFs saw the biggest increases in the region. Funds in other regions, including Australia, added 3 tons of gold. Now, I know we have some people here from India. So let me know what you guys think who are watching from India. Have you guys been getting into Indian ETFs? Let me know in the comment section below. And also, I know we have some German based viewers as well. Let me know if you guys have been getting into those gold-backed ETFs as well. So, uh, with cases of the Ronies essentially rising, calls for reclosures, if that trend, continues with the Ronies, with geopolitical strife occurring as well, and also potential economic carnage coming if the PPP program isn't refunded, then I can only see further inflows into gold-backed ETFs. It's one of the easiest ways for investors to get some exposure to gold, especially as we see more and more millennials, for example, using trading apps such as Robinhood. Though there are other trading apps that you can use now that have gotten rid of that, on average, that, 5% commission for buying and selling and things like that. So Robinhood seems to be the main one that millennials use. I've used it as well. But let me know if you guys are getting into these gold-backed ETFs. I'm not a big fan just because it's not a part of my overall plan when it comes to stacking gold and silver. I've dabbled with SLV and I wasn't a big fan. I just prefer to hold on to the real stuff. But that's just what I see looming ahead. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It's Black Bullion.